What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're coming across this YouTube channel for the very first time, hi, my name is Natasha. I'm a Zambian, but I currently live in China. And to the regulars, the besties of this channel, how my Ange, how my dough, hi Kasana, I hope you're well. In today's video we will be unboxing the Nike Dunks white and blue. White and blue. We will be unboxing the Nike Dunks white and blue. But before we get right into the video, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely free. We would love to have you part of the family. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. And this is what the box looks like, wrapped in this paper thing. Ta-da! They are so pretty. They are insanely so pretty. I'm just gonna show you up close. Being so obsessed with these Dunks. If you know me, I love the Air Force One so much. I think this gives me the illusion of Air Force One because they are flat and they're very comfortable for the summer and they're very easy to style. I have been collecting Dunks. This is my favorite pair so far. It comes in this blue. I'm hoping to get more. And then at the back it is written Nike. You have an option of white shoelaces. Yeah, I think like you can change whatever shoelaces, but for my preference I prefer having this color. They're so stunning, very stunning. They are so stunning. They are insanely stunning. Very stunning. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Bye.